Morning, everyone. I'm Judge Brandy Brooks, and I will be presiding over today's June the 15th, 2026 NC2 bond plan arraignment calendar, and I also have a case management calendar. Thank you to everybody who's appearing this morning, and I think everybody is appearing via Zoom. So for everybody, please make sure that you know that even though you're not physically in the courtroom, you are still in a professional courtroom setting. So do not be doing anything that you would not be doing in court. And that includes eating, drinking, smoking, sleeping in the bed. If you are driving, please make sure that you do pull over so that when we call your case, we can address your case and you can do so safely without violating any traffic laws. And if everybody could please turn their cameras on at this time. When I do call your name, please make sure that you can unmute yourself, but until so we're not unmuting ourselves now. When we call your case, then you can unmute yourself and you can address the court. If your attorney is present, your attorney should address the court. If your attorney is not present, then you and I will have a conversation. But again, if everybody could turn on their camera at this particular time, and if you're unable to turn your camera on, or if your technology is not working, it's as if you did not appear. And if you do not appear, then there will be a bench warrant issued for your arrest if the state requests it. So beginning with the bond plan arraignment calendar, position number 1 is 25 SC 007128, Damon Berry. And I saw Mr. Berry. Yep. Good morning to you, Mr. Berry. I see you.
Good morning, Judge. I didn't have contact information for Mr. Berry, so if he could state his phone number, that would be greatly appreciated.
All right. Good morning to you, Attorney Kennedy.
Good morning. My phone number is 678-544-7698.
You have to say the last four again. I heard 678-544.
7698.
Okay, thank you. I'll give you a call.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Bogle.
Good morning, Judge.
What's the case management date?
The case management date is 10/19. The discovery due date is 7/10, and the motions filing deadline is 7/24.
Thank you, ma'am. So, Attorney Kennebrew, Mr. Berry, your next court date is going to be case management date. You do not have to appear for that date. You're more than welcome to appear if you'd like to, but you do not have to. In addition, you're not going to receive notice to appear for that date because it is a attorney notice only calendar. Is just for your attorney to announce whether or not she has received discovery. Discovery is due on July the 10th. If there are any motions that are to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Attorney Kennebrew, please let me know if your client would like to be formally arraigned, and then they might, and then we will then I will formally arraign them. And just for the attorneys, we are streaming via YouTube as well. So not sure if you might want to get your clients to, if they can put their telephone numbers and information in the chat, do it that way. If not, then they'll just have to announce it.
Yes, Judge. Can you all check your chat? Stan Scott and Hassan Carter.
Position number 2 is 25 SC 0071 28-01. It's a reindictment. I'm sorry. So that's Mr. Berry as well. So position 2 is a reindictment of position number 1. So I'm assuming that the state will either not press or do something else with position number 1. I'm not sure. Good morning, Attorney 88 Bray.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry. What did you say about position 1, Barry?
So position 2 is a reindictment of position number 1, which is Mr. Berry, because position 2 has the 01 at the end of it.
Okay, so I'll do a no pros on position 1, and we'll go forward on position 2.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
So in other words, I won't have to come back to court until.
So I need you just talk to your attorney and she will tell you, okay?
Who's my attorney?
Ms. Kennebrew, who was just talking to
Oh,
you
Miss
at the
Kennebrew.
beginning.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Mr. Berry, did you get notice of today's court date in the mail?
Yes.
Okay. Just mute yourself for right now, and Attorney Kennebrew is going to call you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Position number 3, 25 SC 007129, Kenneth Favors. Let's see, Mr. Favors.
Judge, I didn't have any good contact information for Mr. Favors, so I have not spoken to him.
Okay, I'm just scanning to see if I see him via Zoom, and if somebody catches his name before I do, let me know. I don't see him. So, was there good notice?
Yes, Your Honor.
State moves for a bench warrant, Your Honor, unless, subject to his appearing on Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. Bench warrant bond forfeitures to issue subject to Mr. Favors appearing. 425 SC 007143, Ramondo Lloyd.
Morning, Judge. He's in Fulton County custody. I'll file a waiver of arraignment. I believe he's not scheduled to August for
He is
JB.
on the 8/11 jail plea and arraignment calendar.
Okay, you said 8/11.
And he also has an additional case that's not listed on the calendar.
He has a what?
Additional
An additional case?
Then you start
26 PI 004384.
That's the reason.
004384.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what's holding him in custody, Judge.
Oh, okay. It's a PIK. Okay. So on 8/11, is that, or it might as well just be his case management.
Judge.
Yes, ma'am. So case management is 8/11, and then discovery is due on 7/10, and motions are due on 7/24, and waiver to be filed. And I'm sorry. Good morning, Attorney Safrazi.
Good morning, Judge.
Ms. Alfarasi, do you have this? Do you have discovery on this one or no?
Let me double check this one.
Okay, and well, just
Well,
let
we
me know.
did case management for 8/11, so if
Okay.
she doesn't, it's not due until that time.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Position 5, 25 SC 007150, Jim St. Louis.
Good morning, Judge. I had no contact with Mr. St. Louis.
Good morning, Attorney Cole. Let me see if I see him on here. And if somebody sees him before I do, please let me know.
Judge, this case was re-indicted, but it doesn't have a 01 number. It has a completely different case number that is 26 SC 002673.
And is there a court date for that? 673?
No, because I think it got indicted last week, so we were just gonna put it on with order for today.
So you're saying just reset it for another case management for that particular?
No, if he didn't appear today, I was gonna put them both in judicial hold.
No worries. Was
Wait.
there good? Huh?
I'm sorry, but position 5 is the one you're saying that was re-indicted as 26 SC, et cetera?
002673. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Oh.
so re-indictment.
So I should no pros position 5 or wait until the next court date.
Until he appears or not. We can put them both in judicial hold if he doesn't appear today, and then.
Oh, okay, I see. I understand.
But
Gotcha.
irrespective, it's still out there. Like in Attorney Cole, you can weigh in if you want to. I mean, whether it's non-price while he's, if he doesn't appear or when he appears, it still needs to be done with the case either way. But
And if the state will consider no pressing position 5 and just putting position 6 in judicial hold, it'll just be more efficient when we come back.
Okay. I mean, I was
so
fine
it's
with
not
that.
out there.
I just
Okay.
wanted to know what the court wanted.
No, that's fine because I don't
Okay.
think it should just be, languishing out there. But you said there wasn't good notice, Ms. Bogle?
No, there was.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There was
Then
good notice.
state moves for a bench warrant.
Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. St. Louis appearing 625 SC. Oh, remind me to ask you all a question about the bench warrants too, if we had previously said something else, but that's for the attorneys. Position 6, 25 SC 007152, Irvin Joseph.
That's my case as well, and I've had no contact. Couldn't reach him.
Okay. I don't see, was there good notice?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
State moves for a bench warrant.
Our bench warrant bond forfeiture is subject to Mr. Joseph's appearing for the record, but we'll have a conversation about the bench warrants because I don't, yeah. 7:25, is the courtroom open for people to come into the courtroom?
It's not, Judge. Attorney Showalter was there in person and it was closed. He's walking back to the office right now.
Okay. In that regard, I think I might just hold off on the bench warrant, and we can have a conversation between the state and defense attorneys when we're done with this. Position 7, because if there's somebody who doesn't have the technology to be able to get on Zoom, I don't want them to be punished for that if the courtroom is not open. 725 SC 007155 Montez Davis.
Relationship between
Judge, he is also position number 8, and a waiver was filed on both cases.
All right,
So
thank
we
you,
will go
ma'am.
to the 1019 calendar.
And
Good.
Attorney Showalter's walking back to the office to report on future cases as well.
No worries. Thank you, ma'am. I heard you. 1019 for case management. Discovery is due on 7/10 and motions are due 7/24 for both cases, for both 7 and 8. Waiver file. 925 SC 007159 Jana Gordon.
Yes, Judge. I was informed by her family and confirmed with Cobb County that she's currently in Cobb County custody.
All right.
Was booked on May 13th of this year.
He's been scheduled for the 8/11 JPA.
I'm sorry?
August 11th jail calendar.
August 11th. Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Discovery will be due 7. Well, do you want case management, Attorney Kennebrew, or do you want it
No,
to
Judge,
be?
because I haven't spoken to her at all. I spoke to a family member.
Okay, no worries. So we'll
Thank
just
you.
do JPA 811. 1025 SC 007161 Jonathan Trogdon. Let's see. I don't see Mr. Trogdon via Zoom. Again, if you are present, mute yourself. Was there good notice?
Yes, Judge.
State moves for a bench warrant.
Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. Trogdon appearing. Who's in Rogers State Prison? Who has the gentleman in Rogers State Prison?
That's Attorney Judy Kim's case. That's supposed to be a plea, Judge.
It's supposed to be a plea?
Yes, I don't see her on, so I'll send her an email.
All right, no worries. You can probably send it. You can send it now, but you can send it at when we start calling the case management calendar, unless she just wants to no, you probably might send it now. It's okay. Thanks. 1125 SC 007176 Tony Mitchell. Was there a waiver file? No. Is this
no waiver, Judge, but this is Attorney Showalter's case.
Okay, I'll hold, but was there good notice?
Yes, Judge.
State moves for a bench warrant.
Good notice. Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. Mitchell appearing in Attorney Showalter's announcement, and that's to be same for position 10. 1225 SC 007183 Robert Gaspard III.
Yes, Judge, I already filed a waiver of arraignment for him.
Thank you. Waiver. And so case management date is as previously announced on 10/19. Discovery 7/10 and motion 7/24. 1325 SC 007188 Dallas Starks, and I apologize if I said your name incorrectly.
Judge, I didn't have contact information for Mr. and Ms. Starks.
Okay. Was there good notice to the defendant?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
State moves for a bench warrant.
Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to the defendant appearing. No, we'll hold off on it. But notated. 1425 SC 007202 Jaquavis Culpepper.
Yes, Judge. I filed a waiver of arraignment on this case, and he is present on the Zoom. We would just
I
ask
see.
this management dates.
Good
We
morning,
need an
Mr.
updated
Culpepper.
address for the defendant to.
Good morning.
I have an updated address. I'm going to submit that today.
Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Culpepper, your next court date is case management on 10/19. You are not going to get notice for that court date because it's just for your attorney to announce whether or not she has received discovery. You're more than welcome to appear if you like to do so, but you do not have to. Your discovery is due on 7/10, and if there are any motions to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before July the 24th. Please keep in touch with your attorney so you all can discuss your case, and you can be excused at this time. All right, Mr. Culpepper?
Mm.
All right. Position 1525 SC 007203 Liza Cruz.
Judge, I've had no working number for her.
Okay. Is Miss Cruz present?
Yes, ma'am. I'm present. I'm sorry.
Oh, there you go.
Miss Cruz, can you turn your camera on, please, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to right now. It just, it's not giving me an option to.
Give me 1 second.
There it is. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm sorry.
Attorney Safrazi.
Yes, Judge, I do need to speak with her to know if she wants to be formally arraigned or if she wants to waive her arraignment. I'm messaging her my phone number right now.
Thank you.
You also get an updated address for the defendant.
Miss Cruz, your next court date is going to be case management date, which is 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date. You are not going to receive notice for that date either. If you would like to appear again, you're more than welcome to. Your discovery is due on 7/10, which is the announcement that your attorney will make as to whether or not she has received discovery. If there are any motions to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Miss Cruz, are you able to see your chat?
Yes, ma'am. I'm looking at it right now.
All right. You can mute, and then Attorney Safrazi, again, just let me know whether or not your attorney would like to be formally arraigned.
Yes, Judge. Miss Cruz, give me 5 minutes. I'm on the phone with another client, and then call me, okay?
I'm about to text you, and then you just let me know when to call.
Perfect. All right. Thank you.
All right. And don't forget to give her your updated address, please, Miss Cruz.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Position number. Oh, please hold. Position number 1625 SC 007209 Hassan Carter.
Yes, Judge. I do have his phone number. He hasn't answered the phone. I do anticipate it being a waiver, but I'd ask that I'm allowed to speak with him and then make the announcement.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Carter. I see you. I need you to call attorney. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
All right. So your next court date is case management on 10/19. You do not have to appear for that court date. You're not going to get notice for that court date, but you're more than welcome to appear if you like to do so. It's just so your attorney can announce whether or not she has received discovery in this case. Discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions that need to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Please hold to speak to Attorney Kennebrew. Attorney Kennebrew, let me know if your client wants to be formally arraigned, and we can do that as well, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Just remain muted, okay, Mr. Carter?
All right.
All right. 1725 SC 007218 Anthony Mapp.
Yes, Judge. I also need to speak with Mr. Mapp.
morning.
I anticipate it being a waiver.
Okay. Mr. Mapp. So your next court date is the same as previously announced. You are not going to get notice for that court date either, but you're more than welcome to appear if you'd like to do so.
What is the?
What's the
The
next court
next
date?
court date is 10/19. The discovery is due on
Okay.
7/10. And if there are any motions that need to be filed, the motions will need to be filed on or before 7/24. So at this time, just remain muted and your attorney will speak to you. Attorney Kennebrew, again, just let me know if you would like, if your client wants to be formally arraigned, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. 1825 SC 007230, Axel Jimenez Castellanos.
Judge, he had no contact information, but this was a direct indictment. So if I would ask that we not do a bench warrant, that we just put him in judicial hold.
Did they not send notice out for direct indictment?
They do, but the client is not required to have their contact information updated if they don't have an open case.
State.
No, state moves for a bench warrant because I don't know. I think they're told at first appearance or whenever that they're to keep their address updated.
But their case was no prost, which relieves them of that requirement, and then it was directly indicted later.
Oh.
We'll
Okay.
put in
I'll tell you what,
judicial
Your
hold.
Honor, I know. I'll leave that to you then. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just put in judicial hold because I don't. If the case was dismissed, yeah, I'll put in judicial hold. 1925 SC 007232, Derek Woolbright.
And I filed a waiver of arraignment on this case, Judge, and he's present on the Zoom.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Woolbright. Just as the cases previously announced to yours, your case management date is 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date. You're not going to receive notice for that court date, but you're more than welcome to appear if you'd like to do so. Motions are due on 7/24. Discovery is due on 7/10. But please continue to keep in touch with your attorney, and you can be excused at this time and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
You as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for dressing up for Zoom. I appreciate it. You look really nice
Thank you, Judge.
with the 3 pieces on too. Good job, sir. Have a great day, okay?
You as well.
All right. 2025 SC 007234, Charles Adams. No, dismissed it. Let's see. I don't nothing. Can this go away? No. Was there good notice to Mr. Adams?
Yes, this is a repeat offender.
Oh,
I'm
wait.
not sure. I know ADA Bray sent over a lot over the weekend. I haven't gone through them. I'm not sure he was one of them.
Okay.
Wait, let me look.
So
Yes, he was, Your Honor, and I sent that
Right.
over this weekend. He was.
Attorney
So
Patterson.
we'll transfer it.
Attorney Patterson, they keep changing your name for a reason, sir. Can you please stop changing it back?
Well, Judge, that is my name. So I don't know why they keep
Legally,
changing it.
is that your name?
Yes, Judge. My name is Jackie, the Fly Lawyer Patterson, and I go by the Fly Lawyer.
Yes, sir. But we're just gonna put Lawyer Patterson. Thank you.
I don't appreciate that, Judge. My name is the Fly
okay.
Lawyer.
All
So
right.
if you change
Thank
it,
you.
I'm going to change it back.
And we'll just change it back as well, sir. It's
That'll
okay.
be fine. I don't.
What, like, you're being really rude and it's not that serious. Attorney ADA Bray, will you please, you sent up the RO, so Attorney Safrazi, can you will you please file the waiver, ma'am?
For who, Judge? I'm sorry, I was on the phone with Mr. Martin.
Charles Adams.
Yes, Judge. Is he on? He's online.
No, I don't know. No, he's not, but it's an RO transfer.
Okay, I got you. Yes, Judge.
Wait, let me see something. This is crazy. Position number 21 is 25 SC 007239. Stan Scott.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Scott.
Good morning, Judge. I anticipate this being a waiver, but I haven't had a moment to speak with Mr. Scott.
All right. So, Mr. Scott, your next court date is going to be case management on 10/19. You will not receive notice for that court date, but you're more than welcome to appear if you'd like to do so. It's just so your attorney can announce whether or not she has received discovery in the case. Discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions that need to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Attorney Kennebrew, just let me know whether or not your client wants to be formally arraigned, and we can do so. Okay.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Scott, just stand by, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. 2225 SC 007241, Montagus Farmer.
Hold for his appearance, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Attorney Showalter.
Morning.
Was there good notice?
The hearing notice was returned.
Notice was still good, Your Honor.
Okay. Again, we'll circle back to any state bench.
Yes, state moves for a bench warrant.
All right, we'll circle back, but bench warrant bond forfeiture to issue subject, was it subject to Mr. Farmer appearing 2325 SC 007249, Corkaya Watson, and I'm sorry if I said your name incorrectly.
Yes, Judge. I'm filing a waiver of arraignment in this case. We can be further
Okay.
notice to case management.
Thank you, ma'am. Hold on. Ms. Bogle, are you or Ms. Ford managing Zoom right now?
Ms. Ford.
Okay. Ms. Ford, can you check the chat, please? Position number 23. No. I'm sorry. You said what for Ms. Watson, Attorney Kennebrew?
Judge, for Mr. Watson, I said I would file a waiver of arraignment.
Okay. Mr. Watson? Is he here?
Yes, Judge, he's here. Mr. Watson, can you unmute?
I'm back.
All right. Mr. Watson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Watson, your next court date is 10/19, and the discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions that need to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Please continue to keep in touch with your attorney so you all can discuss your case. And Mr. Watson, again, you're not going to receive notice of your next court date in the mail, but you're more than welcome to appear if you like to do so. Mr. Watson, how do you say your first name?
It's Corkia.
Corkia. Okay. Thank you, sir. You can be excused and enjoy your day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Position number 2425 SC 007256, Cameron Green.
Hold for their.
Good morning, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
Made it. All right. I will need his phone number because I do not have it.
Okay, can you give him, Mr. Green, are you able to see the chat?
Yes.
Attorney Showalter, can you put your number in the chat for him to call you?
Judge, I don't mean to interrupt the court, but why is the court?
Mr. Patterson, we're
Judge,
not doing this.
I don't
Mr.
appreciate you
Patterson,
kicking me off the
Mr.
Zoom.
Patterson, we're not doing this, sir. We haven't even called your case, and we're not having any interruption. No, sir. No, sir. We're not doing this. Position number 20, Mr.
You
Green.
instructing the clerk to.
Mr. Green, can you please put your number in the chat, sir? Or call Attorney Fairwalter.
I'm gonna call him or text him.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Position number 20, Attorney Sherwalter for Mr. Green. The case, his case management date is 10/19. If discovery is going to be due on 7/10, and if there are any motions to be filed, the motions are due on 7/24. If your client would like to be formally arraigned, please let me know as it relates to that. And then if he does not want to be formally arraigned, then he can be excused. I just need you to file the waiver, please, sir. Okay.
All right.
Position 25 SC 007271 Kimball Griffin.
Deceased.
And I did
the null pros.
Yes, I did the null pros. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I signed it. Thank you. (26) 25 SC 007301 Jen Rice McDonald.
Because we received an email that this defendant is in Pike County Jail, so they're going to be reset to the 11 calendar.
To the what calendar? 8/11?
11 jail calendar.
Thank you. Position 27 is 25 SC 007305 Christopher Abercrombie.
The fly lawyer for Mr. Abercrombie, Judge.
Good morning, Attorney Patterson. How are you? Good morning to you, sir, Mr. Abercrombie. Yes, sir. What is your announcement?
Well, also, will you please not guilty waive formal arrangement, Your Honor?
Have you filed the waiver, sir?
We're doing that right now. We're online, and I'm allowed to say.
You have not filed the waiver as of right now?
Let me finish, Judge. My announcement is that we waive formal arraignment and plead not guilty.
So you have not filed the waiver as of right now, sir?
Yeah, don't you know the law that I could stand here and say that when filing a waiver of arraignment,
I understand what the law is, sir, but my question is, as of right now, as we sit right now here today, you have not filed the waiver, and that's fine. I understand that you are pleading not guilty, but I'm asking you to please file the waiver ASAP. That's all I'm saying to you right now, sir. It's not that serious, and we're not going to go back and forth.
The fly lawyer would do that. The fly lawyer would do that, Judge.
Good morning to you, Mr. Abercrombie.
Good morning.
Mr. Abercrombie, your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date, and you're not going to receive notice for that court date as well, Mr. Abercrombie. It's just for your attorney Jackie Patterson, to announce whether or not he has received discovery in the case. This discovery is due on 7/10, and if there are any motions to be filed, then those motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. You and your attorney can be excused at this time. And Mr. Abercrombie, thank you so very much for addressing up today. I do appreciate it. And both of you have a very, very great day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
(28) 25 SC 007309 Dietrich King.
Judge, I didn't have any contact information for Mr. King.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Was there good notice?
That's good. Statements for a bench warrant.
All right, bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. King appearing, but we'll revisit any of the bench warrants. 29 25 SC 007310 Lydia Alexander. Good morning, Ms. Alexander.
Judge, I filed a waiver of arraignment on her case. We'll just further notice the next court date, but I do believe she's diversion eligible and would like to submit her name for diversion. If the state wants me to file the referral, I can do that.
Would you please? I'm so far behind, but yes,
sure.
Please.
Happy
and
to.
Send it to me first. Send it to me, fill it out, send it to me, and then I'll send it to Pollard, please.
I'll fill out the info that I have on it and send it
Thank
to you.
you.
Thank you.
All right,
I'm just being able to. I'm just being able to unmute. I'm sorry. Good morning.
It's fine. Miss Alexander, your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear, and you're not going to receive notice for that court date. It's just for your attorney to announce whether or not she has received discovery in that case, and discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. If you please continue to keep in touch with your attorney so the two of you can continue to discuss your case, and you have a great day, okay?
Thank you so much. You have a blessed one as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Position 30, 25 SC 007313, Landon Martin.
I'm sorry. I'm on two different
Judge,
Zooms.
I'm following a waiver right now as we speak, actually.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Martin. Are you driving, sir?
No, man, I'm in the passenger seat. My father's actually driving.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Martin.
Good morning.
So your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date. You're not going to receive notice to appear on that date either. Your discovery is going to be due on 7/10. If there are any motions to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. Please continue to keep in touch with your attorney, and the two of you can be excused and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
Judge's address needs to be updated.
Thank you, Honor.
Oh wait, hold on, Mr. Martin.
Updated.
Attorney
I know about
do
the
you have an
address.
updated address for your client?
Yes, Judge. He's texting it to me, and then I'm going to be filing the change of address myself.
All right. So, Mr. Martin, please make sure that you get that change of address to your attorney so we can have the correct address on file. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
It's on.
Position number 31 is 25 SC 007557, Tevin Williams.
No contact, Judge.
Was there good notice?
Yes, Judge.
State moves for a bench warrant.
Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. Williams appearing and us revisiting 3225 SC 007559, Antonio Platt.
Yes, Judge, he's on the platform, but I haven't had the ability to speak with him. I do anticipate this being a waiver.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Platt.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Platt, Attorney Kenber, did you get his number? Or
Can you check? I'm sorry. Can you check the chat, Mr. Platt?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm seeing it now.
All right. So, Mr. Platt, your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date. You're not going to get notice to appear on that date either, but you're more than welcome to appear if you like to. It's just so your attorney can announce whether or not she has received discovery in this case. And discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions to be filed, the motions are due on 7/24. Please continue to keep in touch with your attorney. If your client would like to be formally arraigned, please let me know, Attorney Kennebrew. Mr. Platt, just hold on and so you can speak with your attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. 3325 SC 007571, Michael Martin.
Hold for his appearance.
I thought I saw him.
I don't see him.
I guess not. No, I just thought I did. Was there good notice?
Yes, Judge.
State moves for a bench warrant subject to his appearing, Your Honor.
Bench warrant bond forfeiture subject to Mr. Martin appearing, and we'll revisit the bench warrants. 3425 SC 007578, Travis Evans. Good morning, Mr. Evans. I see you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Will Kelbaugh on behalf of Mr. Evans.
All right. Good morning, Attorney Kalbaum.
I have filed a waiver of arraignment and plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Evans.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Mr. Kelbaugh, do you still have my number so you can call me sometime this week and we discuss, this week or next week, and we discuss?
I believe I do.
Okay.
Attorney Bray. I will.
All right.
If I don't, I will reach out. I will email you.
Okay, thank you.
So, Mr. Evans, thank you so much for dressing up, wearing a button down for court. I do truly appreciate it, especially since we're via Zoom, but I do truly appreciate the effort nonetheless. Mr. Evans, your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear on that court date, and you're not going to receive notice for that court date because it's just for your attorney to announce whether or not he has received discovery in your case. The discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions to be filed, the motions need to be filed on or before 7/24. And please continue to keep in touch with your attorney so the two of you can discuss your case, and both of you can be excused at this time and enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you both. 3525 SC 007587, Keemon Jackson.
Your Honor, I filed something on him. Repeat
Okay.
offender. Yeah, I did that this week.
Yes, Judge.
I did not file a waiver, but if I need to, I can do that today.
Yes, ma'am. We need the waiver to be filed for it to be transferred.
Right, I'll submit that right after court.
Thank you. I'm sorry, did I sign it already? Did I sign the RO transfer?
No, I haven't sent it to you yet, Judge.
Okay. $36.25 SC 003813, Delano Swan.
Yes, Judge, he's also position 37. I
Okay.
did file waivers on both of his cases. He's currently in custody in Durham County, but he's expected out in the next few days, so we should be fine to just set him on a case management calendar.
Okay,
Durham County is where?
I don't know.
Oh,
That sounds like North Carolina.
right. That's what I was thinking. It's not Georgia.
Durham County. Let's see.
He's anticipated to be released before the end of the month, though, so if anything changes, I'll let the court know.
Yeah, so it's not Georgia.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's in North Carolina.
I'm thinking it's
yeah, but it's not Georgia. So are you requesting an in custody date or out of custody date?
Out of custody, Judge. We can just set him for case management. He should be out within the month.
So case management will be the 10/19. Discovery will do on 7/10, and any motions will need to be filed on 7/24. Waiver. And for the record, he's also, as Attorney Cole said, 25 SC 002597. 3825 SC 001402, Arbakar Kaba, and I apologize.
And Your Honor, I see my name as having represented him before, so I believe state bar rules. I'm going to have to get another DA to prosecute this.
Yes, ma'am. That sounds reasonable.
And he's also,
Judge,
yeah, sorry.
I confused him with another defendant with a very, very similar name whose case was no pros, so I didn't realize until Friday that his video hearing needed to be requested. So I will set him down for the 10/19 case management calendar and go ahead and let them know now.
Okay. So let me put this. DA Gray to recuse. Video. He's where? Brooklyn. Video hearing. What's the date? You said what date?
Same date, 10/19.
For 10/19. All right, thank you. Do the feds do Zoom, or they only do
This facility does, Judge.
Okay. All right then. All right. Position number 1 on the case management calendar, 25 SC 005165, Jason Henderson.
Hey, Attorney Kimani King here for Mr. Henderson Green.
Good morning, Attorney King.
Hey, how are you, Judge?
Oh, well, how are you, sir?
Very nice to see you. I received Discovery. I hadn't looked at it, but I received it,
All right.
and so I would just defer to the state because I trust Miss Bray like I would trust my own family member. So if she tells me it's complete, then it's complete.
No, we need an updated GCIC and we need the initial police report from Conyers PD. But I do believe your client is more than likely going to be referred to diversion.
Okay.
All
So we'll
right, well
further
then,
notice it to final
okay.
plea. What's final plea calendar date?
5, Judge.
I'm sorry,
When?
what day?
November 5th.
11/5.
Okay.
All right. So if Attorney King, you can file notice deficiency if you like to, but if not, then so be it. The final plea will be on 11/5, and if it's going to be referred to diversion, I would please try to do it before 11/5, so we
Right,
could
correct.
probably have an answer prior to then, because that's like 5 months from now. But thank you, Attorney
Yes,
King. You can be excused unless you have something else. Okay.
yes, Your Honor. I have nothing else. Thank you all so much.
All right. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.
225 SC 005190 Maurice Pollock. Good morning, Attorney Franks.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Pollock is still in the state custody. We have not received discovery in the matter.
Okay, Your Honor, I worked on this calendar all weekend. I did send discovery and I received something saying something about inoperable address, but I sent it to jkflaw@yahoo.com. Is that the correct address or no?
It's not. It's jkflaw1@yahoo.com.
Okay, hold on. JKF1.
JKFLAW and the number 1, Ms. Bray. And good morning.
Oh, 1@yahoo.com. Okay, hon, I'll get it out to you.
Thank you.
All right. So the case will be further notice to final plea on 11/5. Attorney Franks, if need be, please file a notice of deficiency. Well, let me do it like this. On this case in position 1, the state will have 10 days to cure, and defense will have 10 days for motions. On position number 1, if we could send Attorney King an email as to that regard, and then Attorney Franks, this case, the state will have 10 days to cure and 10 days to file motions. Final plea will be on 10/5. If you need to file any, please file a notice of deficiency if you would like to, and so we can move forward with any other motions that you would like to file, but that will be the order of the court. And Attorney Franks, unless you have something else you'd like to take up, you can be excused, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
Thank you.
blessed day.
Enjoy your day. 325 SC 005308 Robinson. Who has Mr. Robinson's case? Oh, Attorney Kennebrew.
My apologies, Judge. I did receive the discovery in Mr. Robinson's case this morning, so I'd ask for 10 days.
Okay. So it'll be further notice to final plea. Receive discovery 6/15. 10 days to file motions. And yes, ma'am. So you have 10 days to file motion, and the final plea is on 11/15.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. 425 SC 005313 Cornesia Davis.
Yes, Judge. I received discovery today. I would ask for 10 additional days.
No, actually, you received it on the weekend, but the certificate of discovery was filed today.
Okay. I received it on this weekend, Judge.
Well, per the certificate of discovery, I'll put 6/15. And so motions, this defense has 10 days to file motions, and further notice the final plea on 11/5. Position
11/5 or 10/5? What are we doing? I thought we were doing 10/5.
11 November.
Oh,
November, it's
The
11.
bond plan arraignment calendar, the reset date was 10/19
10/19. Yeah.
for the bond plan arraignment calendar. But for the case management calendar, the reset date is November the 5th.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Position 525 SC 005516 is also Miss Davis. I'm sorry. Were there did you receive discovery on who?
Same announcement.
Okay. Um
And the waiver needs to be filed on both of those cases as well.
I'll take care of that too.
Final plea on 11/5, I'm sorry. And then 10 days to file motions. Waiver needed. And, position 625 SC 005360, Princess Maya Watkins.
Yes, Judge, we have received discovery in that case, and as well as Attorney Bray emailed me and said she'd be submitting the case for diversion. So we'll look for an update on that.
Okay. Further notice the final plea on 11/5. 725 SC 005820, Brian Osborne.
Judge Attorney Shapiro was on earlier. He did email me his announcement. He said, my announcement is that I know there was a certificate of discovery. However, I have not received discovery, which could be on me.
No, Your Honor, I sent discovery on every single case on this calendar. I just didn't file the certificate of discovery because I don't e-file. That's what my admins do. So they were CC'd. I contacted every single attorney listed saying, hey, I sent you discovery. I emailed you discovery today. And I also CC'd the my admin who would handle, that particular case number to do the certificate of discovery. So some may have done it over the weekend, or they may have waited till this morning to do it. But I did send discovery to every single person.
Yes, ma'am. Something is wrong with.
But Shapiro was on earlier. I remember seeing the name.
No, I saw him.
He's on several Zooms this morning, Judge. And he did actually file a conflict.
Okay.
We can move him to the 11/5 calendar in 10 days.
Say again, we can move him to 11/5 calendar. What?
Yeah. The same 10 days. I'll put it on the order if you want me to put it on the order.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, there but his certificate of discovery says 4/6. Let me see.
Well, another one should have been sent today, this morning, sometime today.
It says Jake Shapiro, Jake at BlakepoolLaw.com. He said he received discovery. So it's further notice to final plea on 11/5. 825 SC 005830, Lewis Hall.
We've received discovery, Judge. I have not had the chance to look through it. It was received while on leave, but I will look through and file a deficiency if it's missing anything.
Okay, further notice to final plea on 11/5, position 925 SC 005359, Marlowe Wells, sorry.
Yes, Judge. I received discovery on this on June 13th, so we'd ask for 10 days to file a motion so that we can review the discovery.
Further notice to final plea on 11/5.
Oh, waiver is still needed in this case.
Discovery 6. Is it, you said waiver, you need a waiver in the case too?
Yes.
Okay, I'll file a waiver today.
Oh, it's not even in here. Just so it's clean. 6/13, that's on Saturday, via email, but no certificate of discovery filed.
Okay, that should be filed today. Because again, when I emailed each of these defense attorneys, I included the admin saying, hey, y'all file the COD on it. So
Yes,
hopefully
ma'am.
they'll file it today.
Yes, ma'am. So the defense has 10 days to file motions, further notice to final plea, position number 1025 SC 006313, Lauren Purdue.
Yes, Judge. I received discovery from Attorney Bray over the weekend. We would ask for 10 additional days.
Discovery.
Waiver is needed on this one and an updated address as well.
Okay.
Let's see. Yep, certificate of discovery filed on 6/15, received 6/15. Defense has 10 days to file motions and further notice to final plea on 11/5. 1126 SC 000490, Darius Gibbs.
And Judge, I don't see this one in my email. I know Attorney Bray saying she sent out the discovery. I don't see it when I search by his name. So sometimes they come across though without their name attached, and I have to go through on the date that they were sent and open all of them until I find it. So I may have it, but at this point I don't know if I have it. It also says that he needs an arraignment, but he was released before JP&A, so he hasn't had an arraignment hearing, and I've had no contact with him. So I'm not sure why he was set for case management and not BPA.
And the certificate of discovery in this case was filed 4/6/2026. Let's see what the case management orders or what is order. I don't know because it wasn't me. This was when I wasn't present. This was Judge Cora, and Showalter was filling in for you, so I don't know how it got here.
Judge, can we set it for BPA so I have a chance to get a hold of him before we're at a final plea hearing and I've had no contact? Or no?
I'll further notice it to final plea, and then if you need additional time after that, then we can revisit it at that particular time.
Okay. So do I need to send discovery or you have discovery? I'm sorry, I got confused.
I can't find it in my inbox.
Okay, and I'm looking at my sent inbox and I don't see something for him. So
Probably
I can do
because
it
the
though.
certificate of discovery was already filed on 4/6. And
Okay.
Walton, I'm sorry, what did you say, sir?
I see that the discovery was sent to me. I found it.
Oh.
If you could just forward it to me, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay.
I can do that.
All right. Position 1225 SC 004939, Haley Pendley.
Yes, Judge. So discovery was received on 6/13. However, it's the same issue that Attorney Cole just stated. Apparently, she was transferred to DOC at the previous hearing on 4/7 before we were ever able to have communication. So I've never spoken to this lady. She doesn't have an arraignment on her file. So I don't know if you want to reset her for a BPA or how you want to handle it.
Wait, she's in the Department of Corrections?
So no, it's for her last hearing, which was on April 7th. She was transferred to the Department of Corrections. So I've never spoken to her.
Oh.
Just further notice from 3/9 BPA needs arraignment, Cobb County custody need. That was for the.
And then they did a production order, and she wasn't produced because they said she was transferred to DLC.
And I thought she was eligible for diversion. Okay. I need an updated.
She may still be. She may still be.
Yeah, I know.
Throw her name in the hat.
So wait, I'm confused. So okay, so her original court date BPA was 3/10, but she wasn't there at that particular time, so she had to be
Yes, on
produced
3/10,
to
she was supposed to be in
4/7.
Cobb, and then she was
Well, that was
reset to the
3/9. I
yeah.
know. She was Cobb, and then 4/7, jail plea arraignment, and then 4/7 says that transfer to DOC custody. So why does she do this? Okay. Is what's the is she but she's not in custody right now?
I don't know, Judge. I haven't spoken to her. I don't have any contact information for her. I just don't want to place her in a bad predicament for having to show up for final plea when I've never
No, I'm
even
not.
had
I'm not
contact.
considering final plea because you've never seen her. Based on the paper trail, she shouldn't have never been sent to case management. I don't know why Judge Corr would do this. She shouldn't have been sent to case management if she wasn't even in the jail at the time.
Yes,
But it says that she is still in DOC custody with an anticipated release date of November of this year.
Okay, so we can reset for a JPA.
Well, we can still have her appear via Zoom for the 11/5 calendar.
Okay.
For
For what?
For the 11/5 final plea calendar, we can have her appear via Zoom.
Will they start her over at BPA though? I mean, or JPA?
What? Wait.
Not producing
What's the JPA date? We don't have a JPA date where we can get her?
You want me to produce her from DOC? We
No,
were
no,
doing
no.
those hearings
Where she
virtually.
can appear via Zoom. Or are you saying y'all save those dates for people who are physically in custody?
Right.
When she
That's all I
appears
was
via
saying.
Zoom, can it still just be her JPA versus it being her final plea is all I'm asking
It's
for.
not. I'm not gonna make her do final plea, Attorney Kenneth Brewer said, because she hasn't been arraigned.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And Attorney Kennebrew, they recovered the items, so this is going to be something sweet for her. She'll just take care of it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Miss, so reset to JPA. What's the date, Miss? It's not
That's
JPA.
what I'm saying. I would have to produce her from DOC if I put her on a jail.
No. I'm not. She's going to be on whatever calendar you need to put her on, but in the notes, it's her arraignment. That's what I need her notes to say. And you can tell me whatever date you want to give me, but in the notes, just make sure it notates that it's her arraignment. If you want to put it on a BPA date, then that's fine. If you want to put it on, if you still want to do it, just let me know what calendar you want to put it
for 8/10 BPA.
Okay.
Say the date again.
8/10, August 10th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
1325 SC 005257 Leo Hogue.
I do not have discovery on this case, and there is no certificate of discovery filed.
Well, this one, I believe, no, this is a repeated transfer. I sent that in this weekend.
Oh, yes. I did see that actually. Apologies.
Okay.
Yes.
RO expert. It's to be signed. You have it.
We're still going through them, Judge.
I did all the repeat
She sent
offenders.
over a lot this weekend, so we're still going through all of them.
Good job, 88 Bray. I appreciate you.
Right.
Let me give me a let's see. Reset case management just as a placeholder, just to make sure.
8/10, Judge.
8/10. 8/10.
Okay.
ROX first sent this
June 13th at 7:03 p.m.
Thank you. Sent 6/13, 7:03 p.m. All right. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are 26 SC 0000634, 26 SC 0000635, 26 SC 000805, 20 SC 176186, 20 SC 176254, and they are all Mr. Snell, Tremaine Snell.
Okay.
Yes,
and Your Honor, due to the number of cases that have been indicted, and I believe he has at least that same amount that has unindicted, I'm going to talk to ED Jenkins regarding this, because another similar situated defendant, he wanted to transfer everything to complex because somehow it might possibly be a RICO or something. So I need to talk to him regarding Mr. Snell. So I don't anticipate us dealing with all of this on August the 11th. I think that's his next court date for JLP&A?
yes, he is in
In
custody.
custody?
He is, and that was going to be my request, Judge, because he has 23 open felony cases.
Right.
So the issue will be the voluminous amount of discovery.
Yes, Your Honor. And I do believe there's like one detective, like in one of those police reports I read, he stated that he had 22 open cases for this gentleman, and that this gentleman allegedly is working with like 2 other people. So, maybe it's getting related. I don't know. But yes, I will definitely need to talk to George, because I believe all of this will somehow end up in complex.
Okay.
So I don't know what to tell you.
So, what's the date? We reset to.
He's on the 8/11 jail calendar, Judge.
Okay, 8/11 jail. What is he? Is it case management for that date too? Is that what it is?
Honestly, he had like all of his cases are at different, because some of them just got indicted and that will be their first time. So they're not in sync at all.
Oh, that's awful. Are there, so I know there are cases that are unindicted, but are there more coming down the pipe from the detective that don't have a PI number? Do you know that, ADA Bray?
I do not, Your Honor. I was going to have my investigator meet with that detective and try and get everything that detective has. But he mentions having 22 open cases for this guy. So I
Okay.
don't, and it's different victims on every single case.
If we could try to have that sorted out, or have it sent to the easier thing probably for us would be JPA 8/11.
Okay.
If it's sent to complex before any of that, and then that would be their burden to bear, not ours. But JPA 8/11, if it's able to be sent or transferred, Attorney Richardson, is this his case?
Only has position 20.
Right.
Okay, I sent discovery for defendant Snell. I sent all of it to Amy Cole, to Attorney Cole, because that's who I saw. I don't know.
A position 20 has Attorney Ricky Richardson on it.
Oh, we're on 20. I'm sorry.
He doesn't represent.
He doesn't?
He does not.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Richardson is on the Zoom.
I know. I see him, but he's engulfed in something else. But in any event, it'll be we'll see Mr. Snell on 8/11 if he hasn't already been transferred, but hopefully that will be the case. Position 21 is 25 SC 004918, Michaela Orozco.
Yes, Judge. We received discovery on June 13th at 9:23 p.m. So we'd asked for 10 days to review the discovery.
Okay.
A waiver is also needed in this case, Judge.
I'll file that today.
Okay. What date are we on? You said that's wrong. What date is final plea on us? 11/5?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's final plea 11/5. And the certificate of discovery has not been filed in this one either. Discovery received 6/13, no COD filed as of 6/15. 10 days for motions from defense. 2225 SC 005712 Sierra Thompson Carter.
We've received discovery. We'll further notice.
Further notice to final plea on 11/5. 2326 SC 000170 Siren Tyson.
Yes, Judge. We received discovery over the weekend on one of the cases, I believe. I think she resent them on both over the weekend.
She's also position 24, which is 26 SC 001180. Let's see what we got going
And
on.
he is currently in custody elsewhere. I'm pulling up where.
So there's there's a COD on 170, which is position number 23. So that the certificate of discovery was filed on on 4/6/2026. You said he's in custody?
He's in Rockdale County. He does not want to
He
be
was released. He was released from Rockdale last week. And when I found out that he was released, I added him to the 9/24 final plea calendar.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Hold on. And then you said 9/24 for the notice to final plea 9/24.
And which one, Attorney Cole, were you saying you didn't get discovery on?
Oh, I was saying I had one earlier, but you sent both of them, resent both of them. Over
Right. Okay. I just want to be clear. All right.
So, but 24 needs a position number 24. There's no certificate of discovery, so your
My admin should be filing
admin
it today because I included him in my email to Attorney Cole.
received discovery 6/13. No COD filed as of 6/15. 10 days to file motions. Further notice to final plea on 9/24. (2625) SC 004379 Keontae Heard 2725 SC 006598 and 2825 SC 006344 are also Keontae Heard.
Judge, this case is a conflict, and Attorney Arnold Regis did file an entry on them. Attorney Brandy Jackson, I'm just now seeing her email where she asked for the Zoom link because it was sent to him and not her. So I'm not sure if she's going to be able to log on, but I'm assuming that she's anticipating making an announcement.
And you said Brandy who?
Brandy Jackson from the conflict attorney's office.
Okay.
And Your Honor, he has a fourth case 26 SC 002306. And I sent him discovery on all 4 cases on Saturday, as well
I'm
as an
sorry.
email.
So you said 23 SC 002306?
26 SC 002306. That's a new case that was recently indicted, I guess.
Okay.
So he has 4 that are indicted, and then he has, well, I guess now it's only 2 that are unindicted.
So does the discovery need to be sent to Brandy Jackson?
I mean, if she works with him, then he should be able to send it to her.
She was just going to make an announcement because he's
No
in charge.
worries. Discovery sent to Arnold Regis on 6/13.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, well, position number. I think that whole conflict situation is going to be missed. 2925 SC 003117 Zaquan Franklin.
And that's
good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Richardson.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Judge. I have Tremaine Snell.
What?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute.
Zaquan Franklin 29.
Can you hear me okay, Judge?
I can. Good morning, Attorney Smith.
Good morning, Judge. We'll be submitting an entry of appearance if my staff hasn't already done so this morning. I'm looking now, looks like they may have already done that this morning. As far as discovery, the state served me with discovery over the weekend. I'm missing incident reports. I have all the videos. I've got the transcription of the videos, and I have the warrants and GCIC. I'm just missing incident reports.
And you said something, you need videos?
No, you submitted those already. I received all the
Okay.
videos.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you, Ms. Bray.
So you need the incident report.
The incident report.
So discovery received 6/13, no COD. If whatever you're missing, please file a notice of deficiency, but defense has 10 days for motions. And are we still doing 11/5, Ms.
Yes, ma'am.
Bogle? Okay. Further notice to final plea on 11/5. Is there any motions that need to be filed between now and then? So we can get you on a calendar before final plea. Attorney Smith, and you said that the entry was filed this morning?
I believe so.
Okay.
I told my staff over the weekend to file it this morning, and they would have done that. I see a bunch of notifications. I can't access it right now.
Okay, no worries. It's just if it was filed this morning, it just hasn't hit the system yet. But so it'll be further notice to final plea, and you have 10 days to file motions.
I'm receiving the incident reports, Judge. Is that okay?
Sure. I need you, so file the notice of deficiency of what you don't have right now. And then at this particular time, the state has 10 days to cure, and you have 10 days to file motion, but I need you to file the notice of deficiency. And then if you still don't get it after that 10 days, then you need to file a motion to compel if that's what you would like to do.
Okay.
And any motions need to be filed within that 10 days. And then, so final plea, if there are motions to be heard, they should be calendared before 11/5.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day, okay?
You be safe. Bye.
All right, you too. Attorney Richardson, back to Mr. Snell. Your name is on position number 20 for Mr. Snell, which is 20 SC 176254. Do you only represent him on that one case?
I did, Judge. That was actually a 2019 case that had gone to a diversion program. I'm surprised that 6 years later it kind of revived itself. I thought he had completed all terms and conditions of that case.
Well, I don't know. Mr. Snell apparently has 22 other open cases, so I don't know. Mr. Snell's case has been, he's still in custody, so he his case is going to be on the JPA calendar on 8/11. Attorney or ADA Bray announced that she was going to get with the detective because he may have some other cases outstanding. But in any event, other than those 22, and to see if they're going to file a motion to have this transferred to complex due to the voluminous nature of the discovery and possible RICO, which should be in the motion. And so, yeah, that's where we are, but it'll be on 8/11.
Judge, I think on position 19 and 20, the DA's office did file a motion to remove the judicial hold. So those two cases, in addition to being on the 8/11 jail calendar, they are on a motions calendar. I'm trying to pull it up. I believe it's 7/22. The state's motion to remove the judicial hold since he did not complete the diversion program on those two cases.
So the question is, ADA Bray, if you can, you said it's on the what motions calendar?
7/22 motions calendar.
Okay. If the state defense could talk about that prior to, but whatever, we'll see the state and defense on 7/22 as it relates to him being removed from judicial, his cases being removed from judicial hold. If you all are not contesting it, if you're contesting it, then so be it.
I'll speak to Ms. Bray, Judge. I'm sure we can work something out.
All right. All right. And Attorney Showalter, I guess that would go for you in position 19. But thank you, Attorney Richardson. You can be excused at this particular time.
Have a great day. Take care.
You too, sir.
Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing? This is Jake Shapiro here for position 7 on Mr. Brian Osborne.
Is he on case management calendar? He is. So yes, sir. Position 7, 25 SC 005820, Brian Osborne. We got your announcement that you sent in that you said, did you receive discovery? And there's a certificate of discovery, correct?
There was a certificate of discovery in April. I did not personally receive it. Now, I'm not saying that's most likely on me. It could be that I have an old email with the court. So I'm assuming I need to get with Ms. Bray just to make sure that discovery's directly served to me.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I sent it to you this weekend at jake@blakepoollaw.com.
Can I give you a different email or can I email you from a different email?
Yes. Do you have my email?
I do not.
Okay, I don't know how to enter it into the chat. Ms. Bogle, can you enter my email, if you don't mind, in the chat so that he can email me, and then I'll resend it to you, sir, at your new email, okay?
Thank you so
I'll
much.
send it over to you right now, Mr. Shapiro.
Thank you.
All right, Attorney Shapiro, it's just been further notice to final plea on 11/5. So hopefully you should have what you need prior to then. And and just talk to ADA Bray, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your day.
And Mr. Shapiro, I'm sorry, Attorney Shapiro, just so you know, there are no video exists on this case. We have nothing, no video, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
And I've got her email, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Enjoy your day.
You as well.
Judge, I have announcements for the positions that I needed to speak with on the bond plea and arraignment calendar.
All right, just tell what number are we starting with?
Okay, position number 21, I filed a waiver of arraignment, Mr. Scott.
So position 21, 25 SC 007239, Stan Scott. Mr. Scott, you can be excused, sir. Thank you.
Position
You're welcome.
32.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. What did you say, Mr. Scott? I'm sorry.
No, I was just saying thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.
Position 32, plat, I filed a waiver of arraignment.
3225, I'm sorry. 25 SC 007559, Antonio Platt. Thank you, Mr. Platt. You can be excused, sir.
For position 17,
Thank you, y'all. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too, sir.
For position 17, Mr. Mapp, I've contacted him several times. He hasn't answered, so I'm not certain if he's still on the Zoom.
Mr. Mapp.
I'm here. I'm here.
But
Okay,
Mr.
I need
Mapp,
you to
I
give
need
me
you
a
to answer the
call.
phone.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was my sons just got up. I had to get them situated.
Okay, I'll give him a call again, Judge. And then
Thank you.
finally, on case management, position number 3, I
Wait, can I-
mistakenly stated to the court that I had received discovery. I have not received discovery on that case.
And I will tell you why. Hold on. Wait, number 3 on which case? I'm sorry. On
Case
which balance?
management, Mr. Robinson.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you why.
You sent an email saying you attempted to send the discovery, but I want to make sure that I'm clear with the courts that I didn't receive it.
Correct. I tried to send it, Your Honor, but when I went on evidence.com, I couldn't locate it under the DA number or the case number. So I did email my investigator at 4:38 p.m. on Saturday saying, hey, I need you to go get the evidence, find it, locate it, and put it on evidence.com. Then notify me or my admin so that we can then forward it to Attorney Kennebrew. But yes, I was unable to locate evidence on position number 3 only from Saturday.
All right, so Attorney Kennebrew, I need you to file a notice of deficiency if that's what you'd like to do. Unable to locate. The state has 10 days to cure, and defense has 10 days for motions after if it's been cured. But it's ready to notice the final plea on 11/5. Any other announcements?
I sent my updated number too. So
I'm
Miss
calling you
Kennebrew.
now.
All right.
Judge, position number bond plan arraignment calendar, Jim St. Louis logged on to the Zoom.
You said
Wait.
position number what? You said
Position number
5?
5, yes.
Position 5.
For the record, 25 SC 007150 Gems, St. Louis.
He's logged in onto the Zoom. I'm not sure what's going on.
I don't, Mr. St. Louis, or Ms. St. Louis. There's no sound coming from you. And why were you late, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. 25 SC 007150 Jim St. Louis. Mr. St. Louis, why were you late?
Oh, I was having trouble signing in to the Zoom, so I had to call the number and they had to help me out when I was signing in on my phone.
Attorney Cole.
Yes, Judge. I had no contact with Mr. St. Louis, but I'll call him after court. I will file arraignment and further notice it. But since he has appeared, we would ask if the state plans to null pros position 5, and we can file the waiver on the newly indicted case.
Yes, I will file the null pros on position 5, and then we just deal with the reindictment.
All right, Mr. St. Louis, my name is Amy Cole. Could you chat me your phone number and email address? And I'm going to call you when we get off the court link today.
How do I do that, man?
He had to have help getting on to Zoom.
Can you provide me your phone number?
678-876-8836.
(8836)
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have an email address?
Do I have an email address?
Yes, sir.
James, JAMES 17 Louis LOUIS gmail.com.
Okay. I'll call you in a little bit, Judge. I'll file a waiver of arraignment today.
All right. So, Mr. St. Louis, your next court date is going to be on 10/19. You do not have to appear on that date, and you're not going to receive notice of that court date, because that is just for your attorney to announce whether or not she has received discovery in the case. Discovery is due on 7/10. If there are any motions to be filed, motions need to be filed on or before July the 24th. So please get in touch with your attorney so that you all can discuss your case. All right, Mr. St. Louis?
All right, so she's gonna call me after this, you saying?
That's what she said, sir, to be
I will.
no crossed.
All right,
All right, thank you, sir. You can be excused.
thank you.
And Judge, for position 17 on BPA, I will be filing a waiver of arraignment.
All right, 1725 SC 007218. Mr. Mapp, you can be excused if he's not already. Yeah, Mr. Mapp, you can be excused, sir. Yes, sir. What number is Cameron Green? In position number 24 is Cameron Green, but the waiver had already been filed in Mr. Green's case. Is that correct?
Yes, I filed it while we were here in court, Your Honor.
Was he here? I don't.
Yeah, he's online now.
I know that. I'm just asking because he's still here. That's the only reason I'm asking.
What position is that?
He's
That's
number
position
24, but we've already handled it. He's just here.
Okay.
So at this particular time, the Miss Vogel, what is the case number for the gentleman in Rogers State Prison, please?
24 SC 001151.
Judge, that's my case, Judy Kim.
Yes, ma'am, I know. Unless anybody else has anything else that they need to take up, you all can be excused and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, who is T?
Thank you, Judge.
It just popped on.
I
I
apologize.
got some updates for you too for the calendar today.
Okay, give me, hold on. Who is T? While we're trying to figure that part out, Attorney Safrazi, yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. Position 15, Ms. Cruz. I filed the waiver and a change of address today, and I believe that was successful. Position
15.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
Position 30, Mr. Martin, same announcement, filed the waiver and a change of.
Okay.
And then position 10 on the case management calendar, I filed a waiver and a change of address for Ms. Purdue as well.
Okay. Filed, waiver, filed, and address change. I'm sorry, what number was it on the case management calendar?
10.
10 received. You said you filed the waiver and the change of address?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Filed. All right. That's it. Attorney Cole, were you saying something? I'm sorry.
Yes, Judge, you said you were going to circle back regarding bench warrants.
Oh, yeah. I thought we had talked about this, and what exactly do the notices say? Let me see. Oh, the add-on calendar. Okay, got it. Okay, no bond clean arraignment. Let me see. Who didn't go? Let me just. Position 3. Let's see. Says their case is set for bond plan arraignment 6/15/2026 at 10 a.m. before Judge and Justice Center Tower in virtual 185 Shirley C. Franklin. This calendar will be held virtually. If you fail to appear, your bond is subject to forfeiture and a warrant may issue for your arrest. Please utilize the following link. If your address changed, if you have a private attorney, if you have questions. Miss Bogle, when I know they probably give you all even less information than they give us. Was it contemplated if somebody does not have the ability to appear via Zoom, or was it just contemplated that no bench warrants were? Did we have this discussion already?
We did not. I can reset everybody to a bond plan arraignment after FIFA is over instead of doing a bench warrant if you would like, so that they can get notice to come.
Is there an objection in person? Is there an objection to that, ADA Bray?
Your Honor, there's not an objection because like my computer was working all this weekend because I did work. But then this morning, when I tried to log into Zoom on the laptop, it just keeps telling me I'm not connected to Ethernet or something.
Okay.
And so that's why I'm on my phone. So I don't know. So there some of these defendants are probably, they're not into this stuff, just like I don't know it. So I would ask that we not issue bench warrants for them because they may not know how to do this stuff.
I always err on the side of caution, because if it wasn't FIFA, they would have the opportunity to either come or be via Zoom on bond plan arraignment. So I'm not going to I'm not going to issue the bench warrants, but just note that they weren't present, Ms. Bogle, so that is in the notification, so we'll know that legit they had 2 bites at the apple.
Okay.
And so if they're not present for the second one, then that's on them. Okay. So what's the reset date? Do you need?
And I'll put them on for 8/10 and put them on a separate calendar by themselves.
Okay, that's cool. So so that would go for position 3. Favors is reset to 8/10. Position 6, and you catch me if I miss something. Position number 6 is reset to 8/10, and you can put for in-person notice. Position 10 and 11 are reset for 8. What we were holding on, on Sherwalter. 8/10 reset.
Wait. Was Miss Kim present for number 10, Jonathan Trogdon?
Is that her? I didn't know that was her client. I thought that was Sherwalter's client.
Oh, I don't know.
Who's present for the add-on calendar for the defendant that's in Rogers State Prison.
Right. Attorney Sherwalter, is your client position number 10, Jonathan Trogdon?
Oh, yeah, he is. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So 10 and 11 are reset to 8/10. Position 12, we did. Position 13 is reset to 8/10. Position, the next one I have is position 22, reset to 8/10.
Judge, 8/10, 18 as well.
I thought we put 18 in judicial hold because it was a grand jury warrant.
Yes, Judge, because he wasn't here. I just didn't know if you were resetting that one.
We would still be in the same position if his notice was returned, so it wouldn't be any point of resetting him if we sending it to the same address.
Understood. Thanks, Judge.
Unless y'all just want it on 8/10. Okay. Position, we said 22, 20, no. Position 28, reset to 8/10. 20, no. Position 31, reset to 8/10. 33, reset to 8/10. And that's it by my count. Did I miss anybody?
Judge, could we reset position 20, Mr. Charles Adams? I understand he's an RO transfer. However, I don't have any contact information for him to confirm whether or not to do the waiver of arraignment.
So
I'll let my supervisor know and transfer the case anyway.
They do
Okay.
rearrange them when they get transferred per se.
Right.
So typically we just waive it so that they'll accept the transfer, but they do put them back down for plea and arraignment when they're transferred.
Okay, I just want to let the court know I don't feel comfortable doing a waiver since I don't have contact with him.
No worries. When I send the transfer request over for approval, I'll just put that in the email so that it can be approved. In those situations, they'll still approve it, but we just have to let them know.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Was Adams one of the ones that 88 Bray had already sent?
Yes.
Okay. Sent. All right, thank you all.
Judge, can I ask
Are we
one
gonna do a
question?
plea for
Yeah, I was just excusing everybody else.
Oh, I thought you were adjourning court.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Judge. I just wanted to confirm that we can appear, us and our clients can appear virtually on Wednesday. Because I do not have a Zoom link yet for that date.
Right.
Oh, and with regards to Wednesday, is there a motions calendar? Because all I have is.
There is.
Wait a minute. I need to take this plea because I have court again at 12 o'clock.
Okay, but I don't even know what the plea is for. What?
Oh, okay. Well, that's an issue then.
That's an issue. And like I
Attorney
said,
Kim?
something's going on with the laptop, so I can't pull up Odyssey. So I'm like, I don't know what case we're talking about or what the plea would have been.
I was trying to get with Miss Gray, but hopefully we can get it resolved sometime today, maybe. Because I've got another. I don't know what to do. I mean, unless I can put him on for next week, I just need to get him resolved before July. He's got to appear in Gwinnett, and I told the judge that we should hopefully have a resolution on this one before July 8th, I believe.
Okay, Your Honor, can we put him on for, because we're going to be back in court next week, right? Your Honor?
Whatever floats you all's boat. We'll be here.
We'll get it resolved. I mean,
I thought because it was on, you all had already talked about it.
No, I actually went down to the courthouse. I thought we were going to be in person. I forgot about FIFA. So I can get with Miss Bray. I assume she's busy today, maybe tomorrow.
Once you guys work out the negotiations, just send me an email and then we'll figure out where we'll play from there.
Okay.
Because I don't give a date because I have to confirm with DOC that he'll be available at that date and time also before scheduling it. So once you guys work out your negotiations, just let me know and then I'll communicate with DOC to see when we can throw them on.
And Attorney Kim, just send me an email telling me what you're asking for. And if I can,
I will.
We'll work it out.
What is his name? I'm sorry.
Yeah, and I need to know that too.
Mateus Ogaba Michael.
Uh-oh.
Because I didn't
It's
know
literal.
who was on there. Mr. Obuka Michael.
How you doing, Judge?
I'm doing well, sir. I'm so sorry that you've been sitting here all this time. I had no knowledge and I thought it had been worked out, but apparently hasn't been. And so we'll get you on ASAP. So when you and your client, your attorney and 88 Bray have had the opportunity to speak, I'll get you on ASAP and we can do this whenever Roger Strait Prison is available to have you on again. Okay.
Can I get the case number? Somebody has the case number?
24 SC 001151.
Okay, thank you. And I don't know. I'm gonna have to call IT to see if they can walk me through what I need to do so that I have access to Odyssey. I had it this weekend. I don't know what happened today. So that's what I've got to
You're
do.
probably not logged into the VPN, but that's just
Oh, well, okay. That might be it. I don't know. I don't.
All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the good old 901 Rice Street. Have a
All
good day.
righty. All righty, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Drummer.
Thank you, Judge.